love to have two projects happening at the same time, and I love to have something glued up and drying while I'm working on the project. So today I am looking forward to using my spetool panel clamps to put together some panels while I work on some other projects. By the time I'm done with those other projects, those will be sitting there glued and ready to go. Yeah, that's perfect. Nice. That is a nice pile, 4-inch boards. I'll work through all those rests later, but using my shopsmith dust collector, I've got, oh man, almost zero dust on the ground. That is exciting. That was pretty sweet. Almost no dust after working through this entire pile of maple and walnut. Got 8 pieces of 4-inch, 3-inch, 2-inch, and 1-inch. And now it's time to glue up some panels. Okay, this is exciting. I love my new spetool clamps, and I love doing glue ups with them and make it so easy. Just gonna take apart the clamps, a couple pins, go. That frees these up, makes it easier to take these out. If I wasn't about to make another one, I wouldn't even take these all the way out. There we go. And what I like, you could just tell, take off that glue, and that is nice and flat. Spetool, I love these clamps.